Welcome back to Boost Brothers Garage. Today, we're playing with a 991 turbo. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so later in the video, we're gonna go out and have a little fun with this car. We're gonna drive it. It's gonna be only my second 911 I've driven, the first one being a 996 turbo. And this car is a PDK, so I'm really excited to drive the PDK, get some driving impressions there. But first, we've got to fix a small problem here. This is our buddy Matt's car. Matt recently acquired the car, and it already had a full aftermarket exhaust system on it, a titanium exhaust, and it sounds good, but the fitment and alignment on the tips is not great. It uses the stock tips, which a lot of the aftermarket 911 turbo systems do, but for some reason they're sticking way too far out, they're too far down, and it doesn't look like there's much adjustability left. We had Matt reach out to our buddies at Soul Performance, as always, and they hooked him up with a set of custom tips that we're hoping is going to rectify this. So we're going to take these things off, we're going to make sure that the exhaust itself is lined up as it should be, make any adjustments necessary, fix that, and then once that's done, we're gonna go take it for a rip. I don't know if this is the best idea, but the first thing I'm going to do in this car is use launch control. Scrambled my brain.
Dude, I haven't felt it, but I heard it's crazy.
So fast. Oh, stop. Holy shit balls. Oh, man. That would never get old. Alright, so here we are. We're in the car. We're done playing with launch control for now. We're in Sport Plus. First time driving a PDK 911 or any PDK Porsche. And just cruising, I can already see why people like it so much. It is instantaneous. So I'm in third gear right now, about 50 miles an hour. Drop down to second. Instantly in boost. Oh, the automatic downshifting is fantastic in Sport Plus. It's so smooth. The power delivery, it's so linear. Like, there's just always power. There's a little bit down low where you're not in boost, but it's pretty short-lived, and once you do get into boost, it's really incredible. It just pushes and keeps pushing. Alright, so the car is really planted around turns. We're on residential streets, so I have to be a little careful with what I'm doing here, but you can get on the throttle early on corner exit, and the car is super planted, lots of traction, and you don't have to worry about much. And the 60 to 80 mile an hour is instantaneous. I really like this car a lot. The lighting's really poor right now. I apologize about that. We're going to stop talking about the car in car because how bad the lighting is, and I'll hop out and give you a little bit better idea of driving impressions. Alright guys, we just got done driving the car. I apologize for the horrible lighting the entire time. Getting the exhaust lined up with this aftermarket kit was not a lot of fun. Luckily, The sole tips went on and they look great. Those were easy and they fit really well, as sole stuff always does. So driving the car, it's absolutely incredible. First time driving a PDK, first time driving a 991, first time driving a 991 turbo. Only the second time driving a 911, and in the past it's been a 996 turbo. Had a bunch of stuff done to it, it's really fast, but these cars, the interior fit and finish, the amount of room you have inside, it's completely different than the older cars. It seems like more of a grand touring car. It's super comfortable. We just had an absolute blast driving it. To see more of this car and what Matt does on a daily basis, which is typically pretty enjoyable to watch, check out his Instagram. It's Matador_Matty. I'll put it on the screen as well. We want to thank him for bringing out the car. It was a pleasure working on it, and I mean, he let us go do launch control on it repeatedly. I got done driving it. Zach wanted to drive it, and he said, "Can I do launch control?" And Matt said, "I don't care if you do it 60 times." So we appreciate it. Someone else letting us fly.
That's after he's watched us blow up the Cayman on video.
Yeah,
so.
and tried to do donuts in the 944, which didn't work, and all sorts of other stupid shit that we do. So anyway, if you're in the market for a 991 turbo, I don't know what else you could possibly be looking at that would be as much fun to drive. I would highly, highly recommend it. Until I hop in a McLaren and drive one of those, anyone out there wants to let me. Anyway, I think it's a fantastic car. So thanks again for watching, guys. See you next time.